In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Siteground website builder. We'll walk through the Siteground flow that launches WordPress and the starter setup so you can pick a design, add core features, and finish with a ready-to-edit site. Start by signing in to your Siteground account and opening the website section. This is your dashboard of hosted sites. If you have more than one, locate the domain you want to work on so the changes apply to the right place. Open the website's details to access its management options. This area links you directly to WordPress and the tools you'll use to build. If you've just created the site, you may see prompts guiding you into the setup wizard. Perfect, that's what we want. Click through to the WordPress admin. If WordPress isn't connected yet, follow the on-screen prompts to complete that connection first. Once inside, SiteGround's onboarding will start the website builder wizard, which helps you pick a look and key features without hunting for everything manually. Begin by choosing a design. These are starter templates that set up pages, layouts, and styling for you. Remember, a template is a starting point. You can swap images, colors, and text later, so focus on the structure that best fits your content. Use the search to narrow down templates by industry or style. Searching speeds things up when you already know the vibe you want, like a portfolio, a restaurant, or a service business. Browse the options and click Select on the one you like. Take a moment to preview the homepage and inner pages. Look for layouts that make it easy to highlight your main message, showcase services, or feature products. Next, you'll see recommended functionality. This is where you add helpful features in one click instead of installing plugins one by one. Choose only what you need to keep your site fast and tidy. You can always add more later. If you plan to collect inquiries, enable a contact form. It's a simple way to capture leads, and you can customize the fields afterward to match what you need from visitors. If you're selling products or taking payments, select the shop option. This will add store essentials and prepare the ground for product pages, cart, and checkout so you're not starting from scratch. Click. Continue to review your selections. A quick double check here saves time later. Finally, choose your marketing tools and click Complete. This often includes essentials like SEO helpers and analytics so you can optimize and track performance from day one. The wizard will finalize the setup and drop you into the editor where you can personalize text, swap images, and publish when you're ready. And that's the SiteGround website builder end to end,